Hi everybody, it's me again, and today I'm going to share with you the B6TN that I made using my digital kit Sweetheart. I sell this part of the kits in my Zibbet shop. I do have an add-on that is made to be used in your silhouette machine for other things that you could do with this, and that is sold on my blog. So I'll put both links down below. And I did add into this, I think I only use another sheet that's not with this, from this kit. That's a Martha Stewart paper, and I did share that with you on my video where I have, let's see, what's it called? What's in my Valentines stash. Alright, now I do have a whole playlist of tutorials to do with TNs of all sorts of things, folders, the whole TN, pockets, laminating, all that kind of stuff. So just check that out. I will put that link to the playlist below. And I think I have a tutorial on how to do the B6. So this is a B6. It's not the wide. I've made wide before, but this is just regular because the paper that I printed on is only 11 inches long. You actually need at least 12 inches to make a wide. And excuse me while I take a sip of coffee. So aside from that one Martha Stewart paper, I do believe that everything else in here is, all the printed paper that you see is from that my digital kit Sweetheart. And this is one of the papers. It's a cover. I designed it to kind of be like a cover. There's another one in there that's more shabby chic, but I love this wood grain with the heart, and I just love the whole thing. So it's all, see, I just love how that came out. I laminated it. I added this. This is from the Dollar Tree. I just changed out the hardware for a smaller clip, and this, they still have these now at the Dollar Tree. It's already Valentine's. And here are those clips that I showed you in a previous video. I put 3 of them in here, and I am meaning to put one of the magnets in here too, and I think we'll put that in there somewhere because I did all those clips after the fact and I forgot. Alright, so we open it up, and first cover here is a Target pocket, which they do have right now at Target. I've been to 2 different Targets and they all carry them. These cards are in my kit. You print them and you cut them down. This is the 4x3. I only printed the fronts, and then this clip, this particular size, is in the add-on to my kit, which is sold on the blog. So you'll print it and you cut it out and you get this. After you've laminated it, you can cut this little center and you get a really cute clip. I did make a shaker. There's a lot of reds, pinks, and whites, and a little bit of black, so that's why I added what I did in there. And the little sequence, it's actually from Hobby Lobby. It comes in a pack. I threw it in here. I actually found those Dollar Tree zip bag things. It's still in the bag inside though, but that's how they look, and they have these now at Hobby Lobby, a nice size bag. And then I just added whatever else I had in my stash to make that shaker. Now this particular insert, this one and the one that's in the back, there's a monthly and a weekly. Now this TN is going to be for sale in my shop, in my Zibbet shop, so I'll link it below. There's only this one, so by the time you get to it, it might be already sold. I don't know. But the issue with these inserts from the Dollar Tree is that they're bigger than 5x7, which is the standard size of a B6. This Dollar Tree notebook is 5x7. So these are a little bit wider and, I think taller mostly. I don't think it's wider this way, just taller. So the covers that I made for them are, the size of this. So this shaker is a little bit shorter because it was made for a 5x7. I'm sorry for the shaking. Now you can move anything around here. Whoever buys this, move anything you want. You can add on the front, because I didn't label this. Like this particular one is the month and it is all dated, so, but you can, you know, move this around, put the word month on here however you want. Here's one of the cards from the collection. I did put a paper clip. I did not adhere this to the cover. I left it so you could do whatever you want. The inside of it is already white. And then here's one of my cutouts. This again is in the add-on part. I did laminate it already. We're going to go ahead and add the magnet clip here. So that's going to go with it if you buy this. So if you haven't seen these already, these Dollar Tree month planners have, you know, January through December of 2018. It's got notes, it has travel expense records, and a phone number section. In the front, it has like personal information and measurements, and even has like phone numbers for hotels and things, and international clothing sizes. It just has a whole bunch of really cool stuff. So then on the back, I clipped in with one of those Target clips that I just found. You'll get the page marker, so you can put that anywhere you want. It's smaller than I would normally make for a B6. I actually like it smaller sometimes. So again, this is another file that is in the add-on, and it's this size. You can size it however you like. When I did this particular one though, what I did was I took that file and I flipped it, printed it again, and cut it again so that I can get a backing. So you could do that with your file. And then I added a pocket that I have from my stash, another one of the cards from my collection. These bows, there's two different bows. This particular one, I did it twice because it comes with this file here, and it also comes with this, and then it also comes with tabs. So I did the whole file, flipped it, so I ended up doing the bows twice. And then I made myself, with that paper pad, a little washi sampler. These are from I want to tell you Michael, I can't remember, I think they are. Okay, so you'll get that, and then the other image from my kit. And again, you can move everything around. I just put it here temporarily. Here's the back of that first insert, and another one of my die cuts, which is in the add-on, but is also in the full kit, or not the full kit, the original kit, as I think it's a bigger piece, and you just have to cut it yourself by hand. You also get 4x6 cards in here. This is another paper from my kit. You're going to be getting all the extra die cuts. These are the die cuts that are in the add-on, plus they're also in the other kit. I think they're a little bigger, and you cut them yourself. So you have the split pockets, a full pocket. This is that Martha Stewart paper, and I've turned that into a folder using my paper inside. Here are the extra cards that I didn't use. And in the front of this pocket, I put a little business card pocket. It slides from this side here, so you can stick whatever you want in there. That's the back, and here are the other pockets. And then over here I threw in the little tabs. Now if you buy the file for this, the tabs are going to be a little bigger than this. Just a tad bigger. This is the one that I had first cut out, and it came this size when I was testing it out. But they're still going to work. I think I have an extra one over here. I'm going to show you. Here's one. You've just fold it in half and attach it to your thing. Alright, so I did, let's go back here. This is the dashboard. That paper is from my kit, and so is the one on the inside. I did add on some sticky notes. These are from Target. They have these now. I actually have the paperclip pack. I found that the other day. Okay, and I did add a little extra glue because they weren't sticking well. I did print my kit onto vellum. Then here's the second insert, which is the lined paper from the Dollar Tree. And there's that one paper clip. I did make a pen holder, and I put in a Target gel pen in here. Now, I did not cover or remove the cover that comes with this. It's a plastic cover. I just thought it went because it was pink. And I'm just holding it together with the clips. It does say composition book on the other side. Here's one of the cards from my kit. Then you got your lined paper. And then here's the other side with another card and another cutout. Again, this cutout is from the add-on, but I think it's also in the regular kit, just a little bigger. And here's that pom-pom. See, that's just being held together so that when you open and close, they stay together. That's the other side of the vellum. And then here's that Big Lips sticky note. That's the back of the dashboard. And then here again is another one of my digital papers printed onto vellum. The kids are out playing. Here is another paper from my collection, another card from the collection, a little star clip. Then this one here is the week on 2 pages, and it is dated, again from Dollar Tree, and I think a lot of the same info on the front, and then on the back, I think it's mostly just a few, not even that many, I think only one of notes. Most of this is actually a week on 2 pages. And then that's being held by a large envelope clip, and then I just put a little one of my die cuts here from the add-on. Here is that clip that I showed you recently, and these are stickers. I'll show you that in a second, but here's one more Target pocket with another card. And then the stickers that come in the add-on, you print it out onto sticker paper and then run it through your Silhouette to do the cut. And it comes together. I think it comes maybe like this, something like that, I think, as one 11.5 by 12, or no, 8.5 by 11. So it's gonna go with this album. I mean the Traveler's Notebook when I sell it. So just so you know, it's a sticker. So that way you have coordinating stickers to decorate. I just cut it down. It's not going to fit in any of the pockets because it's too big. And then I also designed a sheet of washi. So I did trim it down as well. And there's wide here. You can cut this to whatever size you need. And then there's 4 of these wide strips and then 4 of the thinner strips in here. So when I sell it, it's going to have this clip. So whoever buys it, I'm just going to tuck it back here. You can put it wherever you like. I'm just going to tuck it back there so you know. And that's pretty much it. That's how it looks, all closed up. It's not extremely wide. It doesn't all go in because, again, this paper doesn't go out further, far enough for me, or for the book, but it's actually not that bad. It's pretty flush. And I really love the way it came out. I will be making another one, I think. And yeah, so again, if you're interested, if it's still available, it is in my shop, my Zibbet shop. The link will be down below. The links to the files will also be down below. Again, there is the regular kit, which is the majority of the papers, and then that's in the Zibbet. And then the add-on is on my blog, which is made for the Silhouette Cameo. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.